Alright guys, so I decided to install these bumpers. I'm not sure if it's the best solution or not, because I think if waves are too high and it's tied against the dock, sooner or later they will come off. But I decided to give it a try. Just there are a few videos about it, how to do it. The only one thing that I noticed while installing, I did it pretty well. It's kind of straight, but next one that I'm going to do, when you do it, you do not just push it all the way in, but you also lift it up and push it in, so this gap right here becomes even smaller. It's not critical. I mean, it's not too bad, if you can see. I think it's okay. It will do, but I'm a perfectionist, so next one needs to be done a little bit better, even though I'm happy. So if you have any questions, let me know.